New to Jeda AI? Let me get you started. After signing up, you will first be taken to an open workspace. The prompt bar is one of the ways you can generate visuals. Let's run a simple prompt. You can choose how the result will be presented, like wireframes, flowcharts, mind map. For now, let's go with a matrix. Decide on layout, web search, and AI models. Press enter or hit generate, and boom. Moreover, you can upload your files and run any of these commands on them. Now let's modify the content. The tool panel on the left gives you multiple options. Choose the hand icon and drag to move around the canvas. Use the selection tool to select items. Pick the brush or pen tool to draw on the canvas. You can add arrows, sticky notes, and shapes. For each item, you may change properties like shape, color, and thickness. Select one or more items and drag the plus sign to connect to other items. Creating your own flowcharts or wireframes with the add-ons is freedom. For analytical strategies, go with our AI recipe library at the AI menu on the top left. Either navigate through tabs and categories to find a framework, or simply search by name. Let's run a simple SWOT analysis. Fill in the fields, decide on layout, web search, and AI models, then generate. This is Jeda AI's framework approach to solving problems and strategizing. Select segments of the matrix, use the prompt bar to dive deeper, and create related visual outputs in context to the project. At the top right, you can add other participants and collaborate with a whole team to brainstorm, build ideas, and make concrete visual strategies. When multiple users are on your workspace, you may use the Follow Me option to present your ideas. At the top left, you have the collapsible panel that lists your workspaces and the workspaces shared with you. You can create a new workspace from here. Also, change the theme and color of your workspace. Click the Jeda logo to go back to the dashboard. Your workspaces are also present in the dashboard, and there is another section called the Gallery. The Gallery contains pre-made workspaces for ideation and inspiration. At the bottom right, you can chat with customer support. Just shoot them a message regarding any issue or help. They are there for you. We've covered just the essentials to get you started. Now go, explore Jeda AI.